In this video, I will be showing you how to make photography price list in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking into the search bar and typing photography price list to find some great templates. I'm going to scroll down through the results, looking at the different options for flyers, Instagram posts, and lists to find a layout that fits my style. I really like this beige minimalist service package design, so I'll click on it to see the details. Everything looks good, so I'll go ahead and click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Once the design loads, I want to start personalizing the colors. I'll select the main header text, open up the color panel, and look through the document colors. To get a more natural feel, I'll scroll down to the photo colors and select a dark brown shade. Next, I'll click on the background block at the very bottom and update its color to that same dark brown so the design feels consistent, because that makes the text a bit hard to read. I'll select the website and email address and change their color to white for better contrast. Now I'll click on the business name at the top and change it to Lens Studio. I also want to give the price list text a bit more personality, so I'll open the font menu and scroll through the options. I'm looking for something elegant, and Citadel script looks perfect. Next, I want to swap out the default photos. I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for photography. I'll filter for photos and browse the results until I find images that I love. I'll drag a close-up of a camera lens into the first frame. For the second frame, I'll use a vintage camera shot. I'll double-click the image to enter crop mode, allowing me to reposition the camera so it's centered in the frame. Then I'll find one more photo, like a camera on a tripod, and drag it into the third slot. Now it's time to update the pricing to match my services. I'll click on the first price and change it to $300. For the second package, I'll set it to $600, and I'll click on the third package and set to $950 price. And there you have it, a professional photography price list ready to share with your clients.